give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid.
What's up guys, it's your girl Vicky and welcome back to another video with V. Today I am going to be showing you how I got this perfect hair. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have already been here, hey boo, how you doing? Make sure you guys subscribe and click on that notification bell so you can get notified on when I upload another video, and leave a comment for me because I know it's been a while and I really miss you guys. We'll talk about it in a different video. Let's get into this hair. Okay guys, so now I am just doing my ball cap method so I can wear it under. I put some makeup on it and I used my lace glue and some freeze spray afterwards. There's my wig. I'm putting my wig on now to see how I want it placed and adjusting it or whatever. This wig did come smaller than my head, so yeah, I had to make it work and, you know, finesse and work with what I got. The lace is light right now, but I make up everything we went all together in the end. I am going in with my hot comb and just defining my parts, figuring out where I want it. Now I am pulling the wig back and so I can get ready to install it to my head. Now I will be taking my Ghost Bond lace glue and placing that in front of the cap. I will be putting it on the cap a little bit more because, you know, you're not just supposed to have it on your forehead. The wig has to have like a placement, so make sure you guys be putting that glue on your cap too, not just on your forehead. You can also use a popsicle stick or the back of your comb for this process, but I just wanted to use my finger because I feel like it blended better and I could spread it easier. I am going to be applying 2 coats of lace glue, and make sure that the first coat is dried clear before you add your second coat. And when your second coat is dried clear, that's when you can apply your lace. Now I'm waiting for our glue to dry. You can look at it and see it turn clear. So yeah, we're just gonna wait before we apply our next coat of glue. I will be applying the lace to my head. As I told you guys before, this wig was smaller than my head, so I had to make it work. It was kind of hard trying to put it on, but you know, I did it. So yeah, make sure that if you do order a wig that your cap is like a large, unless you got a small head, but make sure you get a large, because if you get like a medium, it ain't no telling how small it really gonna be. So make sure you get a large. will be going in with my hot comb just to get some of the hair out the way before I apply my elastic band. And what the elastic band does is it helps the lace melt into your skin more, so it can be more flawless and seamless. So I'll be tying my elastic band around my head. Don't do it too tight, because you might get a little lightheaded. You'll see I had to fix mine. Now you just want to wait with this on your hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, so your your lace can be melted in more. Now I will be taking my hot comb and just defining my part a little bit more. I'm going for a side part, and I will be doing loose curls. I put some Murray's beeswax on there because I don't got no wax stick, and when you ain't got nothing, you gotta make it work with what you got. So that's what I did. I'm just taking my hot comb just to make the hair more flat and to define that part a little bit more. I just want to say, I know this is a long video. I really just want to make up for the time that I missed while being gone. But also, thank you to the ones who stayed and watched, because I love y'all so much. Y'all my real supporters. If you ain't watching, then what is you doing? Now I am taking my ion blowout spray, and it's going to give the hair a silky feel and add some shine to it. After I add that, I am going to blow dry it because I haven't blow dried it yet. I just brushed it out after I washed it. So I'm going to blow dry it after this. Now that my hair is all blow dried, I am going to be taking my hot comb again just to lay the hair down some more, because I felt like it wasn't flat enough. Because after I blow dried it, it did kind of, not stay in place anymore. So I'm just going to make sure that I have it flat, and I am going in with the Murray's beeswax again, just to help lay it down some. Now I'm going to take my elastic band off, and as you can see, I do have discoloration, so I am going to be going into my lace with some foundation, but it is melted into my skin. It just has a little bit of discoloration. Don't let the discoloration fool you. It's melty. But yes, if your lace is like this and lighter than your skin, then just take some foundation that's of your skin tone and put it on there, and it'll fix it. So now I'm going in to tackle these baby hairs. I am parting my hair wherever I want my baby hairs to be. After I do that, I am going to spray my hair with some Got2b freeze spray and tie it down with the elastic band again, just so it can have my baby hairs flattened down some, and so it can blend in my lace a little bit more. Just to tell y'all, I know y'all can see where that lace is like bald. I had this for like a year. This is me redoing it. And it shouldn't look like that after a year, but I really don't know what I did. You know what I'm saying? Probably overplucked it, but these baby hairs will go help cover that up, because that just looks a mess. Do not have your lace looking like that. Okay? Do not have no balding. It should not be bald like that. As y'all can see right here, I was just being real extra, trying to be all professional and stuff. And I decided that I wanted to hot comb my edges. But you can see I was tempted in the beginning, like, am I really going to do this or not? When I got to that little middle piece, I burnt like the tip of my forehead. Look, you see? Just, y'all, come on. Just, I don't know why I was trying to be extra. I don't know. I do not know. Just be careful with your hot comb, okay? Because them things be hot. They be very hot. Now I'm just cutting my baby hairs. Usually I cut them a little bit shorter than this, but I wanted to try something different and see how I would feel if they were a little bit longer when I swooped them. I'm taking this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Shiner Mousse, and I'm just placing it on my edges to style them. I'm taking my silk wrap and I'm just wrapping it around my head, and I'm going to leave my hair under this for about 20-25 minutes just to make sure that it is super dry, because when it is wet your lace is going to be coming up. So now it's dry and I'm going to be taking my silk strap off, and just watch these baby hairs, just watch them. Period. That's what she said. She said period. Period. I'm going to be taking my hot combing it back just so I can see what I'm dealing with. And then after this, I'm going to be taking my edge brush that I was using. I'm going to be combing these baby hairs out so they don't look so stiff. I ain't combing them out that much, because once you comb them out, they be going everywhere. It don't even be in the same spot no more. So yes. What I usually do is, after I comb them out, I take my freeze spray and spray it on my brush, and then I go over my baby hairs again just so they don't go nowhere. But I forgot to do that this time, so it's kind of moved right now at the moment. I am combing my hair out so I can get ready for this styling process. Girl, she was tangled up in that bowl, so I had to make sure I was combing it good. And y'all gonna see my brother walked in. I always come in my room, like, get out. Always bother me. That's why I always leave my door locked. But yeah, he came up in there. Just watch. Then he talking about some, oh, you making a YouTube video, and start laughing. Like, who does that? Now I am starting my curling process. I'm just going to take a section from the back, and I am going to try to curl my hair. Now this is the thing, I never used a actual curling iron before, so your girl was struggling throughout this whole entire video. But then I finally got the move and the gist of it, and the hair still came out slick. But yes, I was struggling. I kept doing it wrong. I kept going the wrong way. It was a mess. Just know what you're doing, okay? But practice makes perfect. So the more I get it done, the more I can do it. There is a first time for everything. You guys, I was honestly getting frustrated in this video because I kept doing it the wrong way, and I'm like, bro, I know this is not the way it's supposed to go. Like, in my head the whole time I was thinking of Slade by Jordan videos, if y'all know who that is. He does great laces. But let me tell y'all, I was so frustrated. In my head was this video, like, curl this way, curl that way, and make sure your spiral going that way. That's the whole thing I was thinking the whole time, because it just wasn't working. Okay, see, I was getting it right here, but I wasn't doing my curling on the right way. I was still holding it wrong. Because the flat side is not supposed to be under the hair. It's supposed to be above it when you curl the opposite way. Yeah, it was just a lot, okay? It was a lot. So then I was just like, okay, you know what? Forget the back. I'm gonna just start in the front. And honestly, it actually helped me, which is funny. But actually, you see that? How I hold it right there, but I couldn't hold it right when I was in the back part. I was just like, you know what? But watch. I got the concept of it, though. I got the concept of it. I was like, you know what? That's not bad. I'm gonna just work with it. I'm gonna pin it up, and I'm gonna see what happens when I take the pin out. So yeah. your girl's arm was hurting, so I was just like, I'm gonna sit here for a second, give my arms a break. And I was also thinking, like, do I want to take the first curl out and try again and see if it comes out better? Cause I had it, so I took it out and I was like, let's see. I was like, you know what? I might just leave it. And I was like, nah, do it over. So after I get finished with my front curl, I hold it and then I pin it. Cause when I pin it, it'll let the curl heat up. It'll let the curl cool off and it'll stay tighter than the rest of the curls. Cause I wanted the front of my curls to be tighter than the rest of them. So I just pinned it up. Look, y'all, arms was just tired. I was like, okay, listen, how am I gonna do this? My arms are so tired, y'all. I ended up doing that one again because I didn't like how it looked. I feel like it was too loose because it wanted to let go while I was doing it, and I was like, come on now. So I did it again, and after this, I'll come back and my hair will be fully curled because I really didn't want this video to be that long, but I also wanted you guys to see what I do and how I do it, and yeah. So I am back fully curled, and how you guys think I did? I feel like I did better on the side where most of my hair is falling, honestly. But you see what that curl looked like after it was pinned up? Yes, hunty, yes. For some reason, the left side, okay. Yes, the left side of my hair the curls were looser on that side. Why, I don't know. I think because they were out while I was you look at it. I think it's because my arm was going over it while I was doing the other side. So yeah, but y'all, I really tried with y'all. I really missed y'all. So I was like, okay, let me come back and get him a wig installed because I haven't did one of those. I've did makeup and vlogs, and I was like, y'all deserve a wig install. So now I'm spraying some spray some free spray to at least, try to hold the curls. And I was gonna take my wide tooth comb, but then I ended up doing my fingers. But then in the end, I still use my wide tooth comb. So use a wide tooth comb because they come through them curls good. So I really liked it right here after I combed it out, but I wanted to be extra and put some layers in it. So yes, mama, I did cut my hair. She came in and asked me, and she was like, did you cut your hair? And I didn't say no. I just said, what made you think I cut my hair? But yes, I cut it. I tried to put some layers in it, but it ain't do what I wanted it to do. But it still was cute, and I was still a baddie. So, period. I also went back in and curled some more curls in it because some of them did fall a lot, especially on my left side. So I redid that side some, and I did try some layers, as you can see. I don't know which side I did better on, but just let me know how y'all like it. Just let me know. Right here, I'm just taking the curl iron, holding it under there so I can just get a good bump. So it's a bump real good, you know what I'm saying? After that, I'll be done. Bye, y'all. Me, reinstalling this wig I have for about a year. I'm putting some loose curls in it. and just restyling it because it's cute for the fall.